Hello and welcome to City Trekker. My name's Adam and I will be your guide as we aim to find the right gear for the right task for you. Today, we're going to check out the ROVER Capsule collection by the James brand in collaboration with Carryology and Skinth. Let's check it out. So let's get into this package as it arrived to me last week. The first thing you'll notice is some high chew gum. Very nice, thanks guys. So then you've got a few postcards in here, a personal thank you from the James brand, very nice, very classy. This postcard with the guitar on it, it's kind of cool. Got a packing slip and a nice James brand sticker. And now it's time for the main event, the container for the ROVER capsule. It has this nice embossing on it of the James brand logo and the Carryology logo. And then you take this top off and you have the same embossment on the inside box. Ooh, very nice. So here it is, the ROVER capsule collection. You've got all three of these tools inside of the Skinth sheath. And inside the box, you also have this small card that describes the ROVER capsule, mentioning the LS, the bit driver, and the Stillwell. It says, when we teamed with Carryology, we took it to the readers. What tools do you need when you're on the road bouncing from terminal to tarmac? The response was swift. Screwdriver, pry bar, scissors, pen, and emergency cash to get out of a jam. We took note and the ROVER capsule was born. An all-in-one companion designed to slip into your pack and roll along for the ride. Riding, screwing, prying, and stashing your backup Benjamins so you can focus on the road ahead. And that is exactly what this does. So we're gonna start with this Ellis pocket tool, which has a screwdriver, scissors, and a bottle opener. So we'll start with these scissors, and this is stainless steel. You've got the James brand right there on the side, very subtly. So these are just nice small scissors that you can use on the road when you're traveling. And when you're flying, this meets the TSA requirements, so you should be able to get through security with this. And when you're traveling and need a knife, these scissors will do pretty much everything that you would have needed a knife for. So these scissors lock in place, and there's a small tab on the back that you just press down on, and they fold right down. And then you have a bottle opener with a flathead screwdriver on the end of it. And like the scissors, this locks into place. So you have to press down this tab in the back, and it folds down. You've got this nice orange paracord lanyard on the back of it, which is great if you've got it in your pocket and you just want to pull it out. And then at the end here, you've got this all things pry and scraper. And so you can use this for prying and scraping or scraping and prying. And that is the Ellis pocket tool. Next, we're gonna take a look at the Cash River bit driver. And this has a titanium barrel with this dot curling for a better grip. The orange tip is on a swivel, and just underneath it is the cap that you turn to open this up. Inside, you'll find a few bits. Now this is also magnetic on the inside, so they're gonna stick to the bottom of it. So you've got a Phillips bit and a T6 bit that will both fit at the bottom of this bit driver. So I'm gonna put the cap back on this and we'll try out the two bits. You've got the Phillips bits, and man, this fits in nice and snug, and it's magnetic, so it's gonna keep it in fairly well. And you gotta pull a little bit to get that out because of the magnet. And the T6 locks into place very easily as well. And so this is magnetic, so it's a little hard to pull out, but not too difficult. Now, if you don't want to take the bits with you, you can just use this as a capsule for medicine or money. A few people have asked if a AA or AAA battery would fit into this, and the answer is no. This is a AAA battery, and as you can see, it is not going to fit in here. But you can roll up and store some paper bills inside of here, and I find it's helpful when you're traveling to have an extra $100 or $200 stashed away somewhere, and this is a nice secure way to do that. Next, we have the Stillwell compact pen, and I gotta admit, this is my favorite out of the bunch. So you've got this small lanyard at the top, and this is so compact. So this is 3.5 inches long, and when you put it together, it's 5.3 inches. This has a titanium barrel, and an anodized aluminum pen. It takes D1 cartridges, and it's just a great size. I find it fits really well in my hand, and where the pen comes together here in the middle doesn't rub up against my fingers in any way. It does quite nicely for writing. It's just a good solid pen. It also has this subtle branding on it. You've got the James brand logo as well as the Carryology logo. And that is the Stillwell pen. So all three of these tools go into the Skinth sheath. It is 1000D Cordura nylon, and it's really durable. This Skinth Solutions sheath is about the same size as a field notebook. So as you can see, very close in size. So if a field notebook will fit in your pocket, this definitely will fit in your pocket. So this is it, the Rover Capsule Collection, a triple collaboration from the James Project, Carryology, and Skinth Solutions. This is great for when you're traveling, great for taking just some basic tools with you on the road. And I love how they've put it together so that these tools do not get separated and they are always with you whenever you need them. It conveniently fits in your back pocket if you want to take it with you that way, or you can just stick it right in your bag. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you liked it, please click the like button below and subscribe to the channel to check out all of our future reviews. Thanks so much. Take care. Skinth sheath, Skinth sheath, Skinth sheath. Skinth sheath, Skinth, it's very hard to do. Skinth sheath.